Welcome back to the Magic Mechanics Show here on WDBO, the show that can help you with any problem you may be having with your car or truck. Whether you're hearing a sound you've never heard before, your steering wheel is shaking around, or your dashboard is lit up like a Christmas tree, we can help you with any vehicle problems like that. You just have to call 844-580-9326. That's 844-580-9326, 844-580-WDBO. This is time for the open mic segment. Larry, we do have a few open mics for you. We're going to play the first one here. Here's cut one.
Hey, Larry, just a question. A friend of mine's mechanic told him that as a normal course of a routine oil change, he adds a quart of ATF to every oil change. It just struck me as odd. I haven't heard that other than maybe to clean up an engine before an oil change or something like that. But just interested in your take on that. Thanks.
I'm kind of speechless. See, let's just say for an example, transmission fluid has got a lot of detergent in it. To free up a sticky lifter, a check ball inside of one or something like that, it actually does a pretty good job. I have seen the AMSOIL automatic transmission fluid do some amazing things in some old, gunked up motors and stuff like that. But to add it to engine oil on a continual basis, or to run it like that, the only thing that you would wind up doing is you're going to affect every additive, the whole entire additive package of the actual engine oil that you're using. Transmission fluid is a whole lot thinner than motor oil, so by mixing it, you're going to actually thin the viscosity of the oil itself out. This is kind of like somebody just come up with something and convinced your acquaintance there that this was good, which in my opinion, I would not do it for anything other than just cleaning purposes of an engine that's probably been neglected. The beauty of a product like AMSOIL is you can't improve it. I guess if there's oils out there that are so bad and that's what he's using, and he feels like maybe adding that's going to help prevent the engine from sludging up, but you describe it as every engine that he changes oil and he does this. He wouldn't last 10 minutes at Magic Mechanic. We might be able to work with him after I sit him down and have a long discussion about motor oils, but with his intentions of pouring transmission fluid in an engine every oil change, that wouldn't work for us. I wish you luck. I wish you luck, especially if he's doing your oil changes. Thanks for your open mic.
Hi, folks. Larry Perry here. For automotive information, maybe you got automotive questions on cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. Maybe you're thinking about purchasing a used vehicle, and maybe you just want my opinion. Tune in to the Magic Mechanic radio show every Saturday, 3 to 5 p.m. on wdbo.com. Also, tune in to our Magic Mechanic YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll all get together, maybe fix a few cars while we're at it.